Hi, my name is Wess Mancoff, and I'm the Vice President of Engineering here at Thomas Processing. I've been working with the Thomas organization for almost 30 years, designing and researching tablet coating. In fact, I was one of the original designers of the first continuous coater back in the 1990s. Technology is continuously changing, as are customers' needs, but I like that challenge, especially as Thomas is a company that doesn't just sell a machine. We like to work together with our clients. That's how we first began developing continuous coating. Our customers wanted to process larger batches, but loading and unloading took longer than the actual coating process. So we created continuous coating, and we quickly realized it not only saved time, it also improved tablet appearance and made production easier, especially for temperature and moisture sensitive products. So an all-around success. We have now adapted these benefits to smaller volume pharmaceutical products with our new ACCELA CTC 500 coating system. This machine utilizes the latest GMP technologies, including the Thomas spray bar, and it's fully cleanable thanks to an optional WIP system. It's the only coater on the market with a built-in optional wax chamber, and it's incredibly compact too. It took us over a year and a half to develop and test it, but it was worth it because efficiency and sustainability are values I believe in. I like to think I'm helping to make the world a better place, and what could be more satisfying than that?